Oh, hi there. Thanks for showing up for your students' learning. I'm Grant Jennings, and this is Fraction Field Goals, a game I developed with Richard Davia here at CCI. This video is designed to get you playing the game as fast as possible so you can get your students playing this game. It's going to help build their intuition for the values of different fractions and the effects of different denominators. Also, looking at equivalent fractions is a live idea here, and even the equivalence between the decimal approximation of a fraction and its fractional form. So, a rational form for a number and a decimal form for a number. All right, so first of all, here are the rules. Students will be in groups of two, and they'll alternate being the kicker and the defender. So I have here a game that we can play between Sarah and Arash. All right, so first, Sarah will be the defender, and she's going to take 4 cards from the deck and use these 4 cards to create 2 goalposts. Sarah's goal is to make the goalposts as close as possible. All right, so now she's got a 2, a 3, a 1, and a 5. Wow, all Fibonacci numbers. I wonder if that was an accident. All right, and she thinks, well, I think that 1/2 and 3/5 are really good goalposts. Those are very close together. It's going to be hard to score on. So she could set her goalposts up like that, or take 2 markers and put them on the goal line there. That's for 1/2. And then 3/5 is exactly 0.6. So there we go. And she's got her goalpost set. And then Arash takes 4 cards and uses these as the kicker to kick 2 tries at a field goal. And Arash says, well, your goalposts are really narrow. It's going to be hard to score on those goalposts. I sure can't do it with 4/10. Maybe we do 4/10, because 4/10 is just 0.4. So there's one of my kicks. That doesn't score. But 6/11, which is up here, is in fact in between those goalposts. So then we would go ahead and score that round for Arash. All right, and Arash, as the kicker, scored 1 field goal. And so we'll say, for this game, field goal score 7 points. Football theme. I know that's a touchdown, but students probably need more practice with their 7 times tables than their 3 times tables. So have them count by 7s. You can change the number that they count by if you want them to practice a different times table. All right, and then they go ahead and throw those cards aside, of course, taking great care of all of your classroom equipment, and they're going to play a second round. So let's do a second round. This time with random cards, Mr. Jennings, not ones to prove a point. So now Arash sets the goalposts with these 4 cards, and Arash thinks, oh, geez, I got that 1 ace in there. That's going to make it harder to keep the goalposts tight. So what if I make, wow, my goalposts are going to be super wide because of that ace. 1/7 is one of my goalposts. And so that is, about like somewhere like close to 1.5, but looks like it might be a little smaller than 1.5. I don't happen to know myself. And then 9/12. Where's 9/12? It should be somewhere around there. Oh, right. Yeah, 9/12 is just the same thing as 3/4. So Arash has set their goalposts, his goalposts. 9/12 is 3/4, so that's there 7.5. Whoa. And then Sarah is going to take 2 kicks at them. Okay, with a 4, and a 5, and a king, and a jack. Looks like two scores to me. So we're going to go with 4/11. Ding, 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 ding. 4/11 and 5/13. Oh, right down the gut, eh? Just just score twice. Maybe you have them have some counters there that they can go wee. Whatever's fun, whatever makes math fun, have them do that. And so, of course, we want to score that for Sarah. There's 2 touchdowns. The last time I checked, 7 times 2 is 14. So we'll do that. And we'll play lots of rounds. This is designed to be a very fast-paced game to build your students' intuition with fractions. And also you can use this as a warm-up for the next game, which is free kick fractions, which involves the same playmat, but now operations with those fractions. So stay tuned for that. Thank you again for showing up for your students' learning. I really appreciate you. If you like these games, tell a colleague, get their classes playing them. If you have some feedback about these games, send me an email at gjennings@scudsby.on.ca. And again, thanks so much for showing up for your students' learning like you do every day. Bye for now, everyone.